Two insurance giants, Hippo and Erie, stand ready to protect your home. But when you need coverage the most, which one really delivers? On one side, the modern, tech-driven Hippo Insurance. On the other, the reliable, customer-focused Erie Insurance. Let's skip the buzzwords and look at what really matters. We'll compare them category by category, each one earns points and you'll see who comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. Here, what's on our mind map for today? First up is price and value, because who doesn't want to save some cash, right? Then we'll jump into coverage options. After that, claims experience, super important if something goes wrong. We'll check out digital tools and finally reputation and service. So buckle up, let's roll through each category. Okay, let's kick things off with price and value. So Hippo actually throws in some tech discounts and has pretty flexible coverage options, which is cool if you're always tweaking things. But honestly, if you live outside of their main markets or somewhere more rural, Hippo can get kinda pricey, and that stings a little. Now Erie, their rates are super competitive, like consistently among the lowest you'll find. And if you bundle stuff together, they shower you in discounts. But here's the catch, Erie is only available in 12 states. So yeah, when it comes to getting more bang for your buck, Erie definitely takes this round. Now let's talk coverage options. This is where things get interesting. Hippo is genuinely impressive, especially if you love smart stuff. They'll cover things like your home electronics and even your smart devices. Plus, they've got your back on water backup and service lines. And it's a pretty big, but they don't offer auto or life insurance, so one-trick pony vibes kinda. Meanwhile, Erie has these amazing bundles for home, auto, and life, literally a whole package. Plus, their guaranteed replacement cost is such a safety net, not as much tech though. So if you want all the digital perks, Hippo takes the win here. Alright, moving on to claims experience, which honestly is where you'll know if a company truly has your back. Hippo makes things super easy with an online claims process and even fast AI-powered reviews. It sounds super sleek, but the truth is some people aren't loving their major claims payouts, mixed reviews there. With Erie, they're at the top for claims satisfaction, shout out to JD. Power, and honestly, having a local agent walk you through things is pretty comforting. The downside? You can't do the whole claim thing entirely online, but for most folks, Erie feels like the safer bet here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Erie been around since 1925? That's nearly a century of insuring homes. Hippo, on the other hand, kicked things off in 2015. You can really feel that difference in their whole approach. Let's jump to digital tools. Hippo pretty much rules here. It's a full digital playground. You can buy, manage, and even integrate smart home systems all online. The flip side, don't expect to meet with an agent. It's all online all the time. Now, Erie does have a mobile app so you can handle claims and payments easily enough, but their digital features are kinda basic and you can't do as much policy tweaking online. So if having your whole insurance experience at your fingertips matters to you, Hippo is the clear winner. Alright, last up, reputation and service. Hippo has some super solid Trustpilot scores, especially from folks who love their tech. But just so you know, they're still the new kid. They started in 2015, which might make you pause a bit. Erie, though, over 100 years of business. That's not just old, that's legendary. They've got all these service awards and a reputation that just screams trust. They are pretty traditional, so if you want the latest app, A might not be your first pick. Still, Erie definitely comes out on top for trust and service. Here, how the two stack up across every category. It's almost like watching old school meet new age, each one really shines in its own lane. So here's my take. If you're obsessed with smart homes, want to do everything online, and love staying on the cutting edge, then Hippo is basically calling your name. But if you want the best price, rock-solid claims support, and that feeling you get when someone's genuinely got your back, Erie is hands down tough to beat. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one.